Here's how I make laundry day feel like a breath of fresh air. Say goodbye to messy detergent spills and hello to the magic of DIY laundry sheets. An easy, eco-friendly solution that leaves your clothes smelling fresh and clean with a zesty twist. Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth. Today we'll be making Lemon Lift laundry sheets. These fun and easy DIY laundry sheets are a game changer for your laundry routine. They're eco-friendly, simple to use, and infused with the invigorating scent of essential oils. It's like a little burst of sunshine in every load. Before we dive into this recipe, let's talk about something we love at Simply Earth: making natural DIY products easy and fun. Subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box and get all the necessary ingredients delivered to your door. Plus, new subscribers get a free big bonus box full of goodies. Not ready to subscribe? No worries. Grab everything you need at simplyearth.com. Did you know that store-bought laundry sheets are often packed with harsh chemicals that can irritate your skin and pollute your home? Yikes. At Simply Earth, we believe that you and your family deserve better. With our easy DIY recipe, you can create laundry sheets that are not only chemical-free, but also safe and effective. Turn off all distractions because making is healing. Let's make this Lemon Lift laundry sheet together. From your box, you will need 1 Ruthie laundry detergent sheet, 15 drops Lemon Eucalyptus Essential Oil blend. This soothes skin, boosts immunity, and cleanses. For a small load, tear the laundry sheet in half. For a large load, use the full sheet. Place 15 drops of Lemon Eucalyptus Essential Oil blend directly on a Ruthie laundry detergent sheet. These essential oils will quickly absorb into the sheet. Place the laundry detergent sheet directly into the washing machine drum. Run your machine as normal. This smells bright and clean. You can make this too. Make this recipe, take a photo, and show it off on your social media with hashtag #IMadeThis. Don't forget to tag From Simply Earth for your chance to win a $5 gift card and get featured on our page. We can't wait to see your creations. Love natural DIY products? Make it easy and subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box. If you enjoyed this video, stick around. More fun and simple DIY recipes are coming up next on your screen.